Alright, so let's do another example. So say we want to convert from spherical to Cartesian. And in this case, we have the point in spherical 8 pi over 4 pi over 3. We want to convert that to x, y, and z. Now, in my personal opinion, and I'm sure I'm not alone in this, this is the easier way of converting from one to the other. Obviously, Cartesian, you have to do this. It involves a couple different steps, and spherical you can just plug and chug because you know rho, you know theta, and you know phi. So let's solve for x here, right? Knowing our formulas, obviously. Hopefully we have these memorized by now. So we have x is equal to 8 times the sine of phi, which is the sine of pi over 3, times the cosine of theta. In this case, theta is pi over 4. That's going to be equal to 8 times the sine of pi over 3, which is something. Excuse me for not knowing my unit circle. Let's see, pi over 3, square root of 3 over 2. I believe this one's square root of 2 over 2. Cosine of pi over 4. Yeah. Square root of 2 over 2, right. And so obviously we can simplify this, right? 2 times 2 is 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2 times square root of 3 times the square root of 2 is really the 3 times 2 is 6, so it's 2 times the square root of 6. So for y, again, do the similar thing, just plug and chug, right? So in this case, we have 8 times the sine of pi over 3 times the sine now of pi over 4, right? So this is 8 times square root of 3 over 2 times the sine of pi over 4, which I believe is also 2 square root of 2. Sine of, yep, square root of 2 over 2, which obviously this is the same thing to square root of 6. Now for z. It's going to be equal to 8 times the cosine of phi times the cosine of pi over 3, right? So that's going to be equal to cosine of pi over 3 is a half, right? Half times 8 is 4. And so there you go. So now the point, we've successfully converted from spherical to Cartesian. So the point 8 comma pi over 4 comma pi over 3 in Cartesian is actually 2 times the square root of 6 comma 2 times the square root of 6 comma 4. All right, that's the point. And actually I should just do this so no one gets confused, right? That's y is there we go. All right, so really easy, just a plug and chug, and that's all there is to it. So thanks for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.